Hi everyone, good evening and welcome. It's a brand new day today, and we're joining you today once again with the Influencer with Joel, proudly powered by Klogard Fresh Blast. And I'm happy to say that we successfully completed 5 episodes. Thanks to all your good wishes and your comments and your likes, your views. We're able to continue with the session, and today is our sixth episode of the first season of the Influencer with Joel. So thank you very much to all of these amazing people. Thank you very much to you for joining with me today as well. So, who is our guest today? You must be knowing who our guest is because we ran some stories to ask you who my guest is, and there's been some good comments coming in, and I think this time මේ පාර ඔයගොල්ලන් guest කරපු guest හරිම එක්කෙනා තමයි. මොකද මේ ගොඩක් සජෙෂන්ස් ආවලා තිබ්බ මට. ඒ අතරින් ඔයගොල්ලන් කැමතිම එක්කෙනෙක් තමයි අද show එකට join වෙන්නේ. So we are waiting for this individual to join on our show. We'll see how it goes. Good evening. What's happening? How are you?
Nothing's actually happening these days. Just at home. I'm always on the phone. But then again, this time it helps me to think about myself more, spend quality time with family. So I'm actually, doing that. Other than that, everything's okay.
That's good to know. That's good to know. And that is when we have sessions like this. You can keep your fans informed as to what's happening. You won't believe, Sheshadri, just to tell you, we'll have this in a Singlish format. I'll try my level best to speak as much as possible in Sinhalese as well. Sheshadri, my God, fans la. They have been asking for you. I think I gave them an option. Option එක දුන්න එකලම guess කරන්න කියලා මේ පාර කවුද එන්නේ guess කියලා. So they have been guessing your name at a rate. So hats off. All of them love you so much, and they have been sending me so much of questions to ask you. හරිද? questions ගොඩාක් ඒවලා තිබ්බා. But හැම question එකම අහන්න බැරි ඉඳලා ටිකක් filter කරලා ටිකක් විතර filter කරලා අවශ්‍ය questions ටික විතරක් තියෙනවා. Right? Okay. Then බලාගෙන ඉන්න අය, they must be thinking what's going on here, right? So this is what's going to happen. The Influencer with Joel is a show that we have a casual conversation, and we don't talk serious stuff. මොකද දැන් serious දේවල් ගොඩක් වෙනවනේ ලෝකේ. ඉතින් අපි serious වෙන්නේ නැතුව casual එකේ යන වැඩක් තමයි the Influencer with Joel the show is, and we'll be having some games. ඒ වගේම තමයි ශේෂාද්‍රි surprise එකක් class එකලා තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන් වෙනුවෙන්ම. We'll wait and see what that surprise is. Okay? Okay. So Sheshadri, I won't speak much. We'll directly get into the questions. Few questions sent by your lovely fan base. You're ready? Okay. This is a quick one. Okay. Before that, I like to ask you something. This show is called The Influencer with Joel for a reason, because everyone asks you a question about how is your acting life, how is your life on screen, all that. But in this, I like to ask you different question, right? Instagram ගැන මොකද හිතන්නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ what is your life like on Instagram? How did Instagram start for you?
To be honest, Joel, I think this was back in 2010 or 11 when I first came on Instagram. That time, Instagram was not the most famous platform. It was Facebook. But with time, today, I think Instagram has taken over. So I think it's a really good platform to get in touch with your fans, to interact with your friends. Like I talk to so many of my school friends, and after so many years, I started keeping in touch with them because of Instagram. So I think it's a real platform, and it's always up to us to use it properly and wisely.
Right.
So yeah. So that's what Instagram.
Okay, very nicely said. Sheshadri, who was your first follower and who did you follow first on Instagram? You remember?
Well, actually, I made this account. Current account I have, I actually created 2 years ago, right? In 2009, exactly on the 8th of September. That's because I had a huge break and I deactivated all my accounts and I didn't want to come on Instagram. But then again, I thought, okay, why not have my account? I created one. I followed Krishan first. Yeah, I followed first, and it's been 2 years since I made this account, and today I reached 600k
I
followers.
know. I was going to congratulate you. You just broke my spark, but it's okay. First, congratulations for hitting 600. In the morning when I went to your profile, I just refresh करनකොට එකපාර මම දැක්කා 599 එක 600 වෙලා. So congratulations.
So, and I want to thank everyone for being with me, because it's not a long, like it's just 2 years. So in 2 years gain 100k followers, it's a big achievement for me. So thank you to everyone who's watching, who's following me, and who's always being there with me.
Very nice. So thank you very much to all Sheshadri's fans. Right? The next one. මට මේ ශේෂාද්‍රි ශනුද්‍රි කියන එක පොඩ්ඩක් පැටලෙනවා. පැටලෙනොත් ගණන් ගන්න එපා.
Okay. You can call me Shadow.
Okay. What is the name? What is the reason behind the name Shadow?
Shadow is actually given by my dad, because I'm more close to my Siddharthi, so he was calling me his Shadow and all. So I remember I was in grade 2 when he first called me Shadow, and I told my boss to call me Shadow, and since then the pet name that was registered.
Okay, so that's the reason behind the name Shadow. Right, let's get into the Q&A sent by your fans. Had sent me these questions. I have selected a few. හැමදේම අහන්න බෑනේ මේ වගේ platform එක. ඉතින් අවශ්‍ය ප්‍රශ්න විතරක් අහන්න, right? This is an interesting one. Ravina has asked, Sheshadri, are you a vegetarian?
Not anymore. I was back.
Okay.
Yeah, back in 2000 again. 10, 11 or 12, I can't remember. I was a vegetarian for 3 years, but it was not hard. I got used to it, but then I was falling, like I was getting sick, and my mom was like, she was finding hard to feed me. So every day I was eating parakku and bhat. So then somehow I again started. I just thought, okay, fine, I'll just eat.
So the answer is Sheshadri was vegetarian, but not anymore, right? Then Travel Mania is asking, you're most grateful in life for what reason?
Grateful?
Yes.
I think I'm grateful for everything that I have. Can't just name.
No particular reason.
No.
Okay.
Because I'm grateful for my parents, I'm grateful for everything that I have, for my sisters. So it's like I can't really rate everything. I'm grateful for everything.
Nicely worded. Okay, the next one, Kanchi is asking, what type of partner, this is a funny question, what type of a partner would you like for Shanudri? Shanudri to koi wage partner kenek aasa. ඔයාගෙන් අහන්නේ.
Shanuta Hamzanoda partner should be someone who's actually her type, but also should be good with us also, because we are we are very close to one another, like my sisters and I, then Sarangai and Krishan, we are all very close to each other. So it has to be someone who can catch up with us, who can be together with us. So, but then again, it has to be someone of Shanu's choice.
Right, yes. ඒ ශනු ගිය පාර ශනු ලයිව් එකට ආපම ෂෙයා කිව්වනේ එයාගේ කෑම එකට එම අත දාන්න ලෑස්ති වෙන්න එපා අත දාමු. Okay, right. The next one is Adipa is asking your favorite actor in Sri Lanka.
I can't name one, but if I pick one from okay, let me say I like Vijay uncle, I like Gami uncle, but from our generation I really can't pick one. I can't pick one from our generation.
I was really hoping you would give an answer, but Adipa, very sorry, Sheshadri the answer එකක් නැහැ.
I can't just rate. can't
You
say
can't
that
rate.
it's my favorite because I have a lot of favorites.
Okay. The next one is one of the very close fans is asking this question. Okay. Krishan is asking 3 good qualities of Krishan.
මම WhatsApp කරලා යාට call කරලා කියන්නම් කියන්න.
ප්‍රසිද්ධ මාධ්‍යහාරයකට කියන්න කැමති නැද්ද?
No, I'll just say something. That's a paune. No, honestly, his first thing is that he's very understanding about everything. Yeah, if I think that No, honestly, he's very understanding and he's very helpful and he's very family oriented. There are so many things, and not just three only. So yeah,
තුනක් කියන්නකෝ.
I think good afternoon.
ආයෙත් පොඩ්ඩක් තුන කියවද?
Being very understanding about everything, right? Like being understanding about everything and being very helpful in everything and being a very family oriented person.
Okay, nice. He must be
No,
dancing at home.
That call kala කියන්න නෑ යවක කිව්ව නැත්නම් මේක කියන්නේ.
Okay, very well said. I think your fans are happy with these answers you gave. Now ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් තිබ්බ ශේෂාත්‍රි මේ වෙලාවේ I can't ask everything because we have very limited time, right? So now we are going to get on to the questions which I have set up, right? Now fan questions. Fans ලට ආයෙත් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන් ශේෂාත්‍රිගෙන් අපේ questions ආන sessions දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ sessions දෙකෙන් පස්සේ ඔයගලන්ට ශේෂාත්‍රිගෙන් questions අහන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් fans ලට කියන්නේ හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න මේ segments දෙක හරි මම ආස කරන segments දෙකත් අපේ fans ලට ගොඩක් කැමති segments දෙකක්. For the last 5 episodes, Shashatri, we have been doing this game called Never Have I Ever, right? But for this segment, from this segment onwards, you will be the first who is doing this Q&A session. This is called the trending question. I don't know. So I have 10 questions. It's called the trending question. And you have to answer very bluntly. Ready? Answer. Okay? Okay. You're ready? Okay. So this is our very first game with Sheshadri, the trending question. Trending question number 1, right? Your biggest fan?
Krishan.
Wow. I think I know the answer for the next also. Your favorite singer?
Not Krishan. HR Jyotipala. He's actually my favorite singer.
Okay. Sorry, Krishan.
No, you can't be the topic. It's my show. I mean, it's about me.
The next one. If you got 24 hours to live.
Okay. If I got 24 hours to live, I'll spend time with my family and eat everything in the world. Like,
Wow. You get 3 things to eat. What would you eat?
sushi, Ammi's food, and Ammi's food, that's rice and curry. And what do I like to eat?
හදන කෑම ආසනද?
නෑ අම්මි හදන කෑවම ඒව ඕනේ අනිත් අයගේ ඕනේ. No, I'll have Ammi's food, sushi and barbecue.
Okay. Right. Sushi, Ammi's food and barbecue. Right? If you had 24 hours to live. Next question. Trending question number 4. Your greatest fear?
Then I'll put on weight. Yes.
Okay. Good one. That's the all-time fear of mine as well, but I won't do anything about it. So no choice.
I also don't do anything, but I always pray, please don't get fat. That's all I say to myself.
Okay. The next question. Trending question number 5. If you were a flower?
I'll be a Lily?
A lily. What
Yeah.
color?
White.
White lily. Why?
I like white. I like white flowers in general, but
Okay.
I don't really. I'm not a. No, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway,
So white-
some kind of a white flower.
Some kind of white flower. Okay. Trending question number 6. You got a chance to travel the world. Where would you travel and with whom would you travel?
I'll have to travel with Krishan, no?
Yes.
Okay,
Where?
I'll travel with Krishan. I will travel to. It's out of the country, out of Sri Lanka. Somewhere. I don't know. I haven't thought about a country as such. Can't think of a country. I want to travel to all the countries.
All the countries. එහෙම බෑ. එක country එකක් කියන්නේ.
ඒ
එකක්.
දැන් හෙට අනිද්දා කොහමදත් යන්න මේ
ඒක තමයි මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ.
හිත තමයි ඉන්න වෙන්නේ. I can't name one country.
Can't. Okay.
Okay,
Trending
I'll say
question.
Maldives.
Sorry?
Maldives.
Okay. Good choice. Good choice. Trending question number 7. A hidden talent.
Hidden talent. I don't know if it's hidden, but I think I can cook well. But it's not hidden, so.
Yeah. Let's try harder. Let's try harder. Hidden talent.
Hidden.
Can you? You can't whistle? No.
No. Can't.
Can't.
එහෙම can't.
That.
No.
So hidden talent is cooking, no?
I don't
Sorry?
know. But I can do this. That's not a talent. I can raise my eyebrows.
Ah.
That's not a talent at all. Oh my god.
Can you do that again? What's that talent?
It's not a talent.
Put your head down a bit. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. The next one. Currently watching on Netflix.
I forgot the name. No. You Can't Hide something. It's a Mexican it's a Mexican series. You Can't Hide or something. I can't remember the name. Yeah, you can't. I can't remember.
Okay. Your final question for the trending question. Question number 10 is. Oh no. Question number 9. 9. Okay. The definition of a best friend to you.
Okay. I think best friend should be a person who'll always be there with you. You don't have to talk to that person every day, but a person who will be with you, showing you right and wrong, and a person who'll support you in everything you do. It doesn't have to always be like your best friend doesn't always have to agree to what you do. If you're wrong, she or he should be able to point it out. So I think that's a really good friend, a best friend.
The final question is Sheshadri, trending question number 10, the final one. Most unforgettable memory.
අයියෝ කලින් ගුවන මතක් කරලා
කියන්න බලන්න.
Unforgettable memory. I think school days. Yeah, back in HFC. School days, during my O-level time, there are so many memories that I can't just say exactly that. I can't just say one thing in particular, but school days.
School days. Okay.
O-level.
Right.
Yeah.
A-level, O-level. O-level. Good luck, you answered your questions fairly well. Sometimes you evaded, but you did good. Okay, right. So, but you're the first to take part in this game in our segment. So, I think you did pretty good. Hats off to you, right? Shadow, I'll call you Shadow. Okay, since you said to call you Shadow, we are going to the most fun segment, I would say, because I love playing this with my guest. It's a nice segment. This is called Under 5 Seconds, right? This game is called Under 5 Seconds. But to play this game, obviously, I'll be joining with. We had to change those used to have whistles, but now we have. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is not there.
Sorry?
My favorite color is not there. So I'll just go with red.
You can pick one of. Okay, so red. Okay.
Red.
Okay, so you selected red. You know how this game works. I'm going to read out a question to you, and I'll give you 5 seconds. So I'll count 5 seconds like this, and you have to say 3 things before I blow this. I don't know what we call this. Okay, right. So are you ready? Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and show your entire face. Okay. Right. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. 3 things you do when you wake up in the morning.
Check my phone. I say a little prayer, and I wash my face.
Sorry?
3 things.
What did you say?
Check my phone.
Okay.
I say a little prayer, and I wash.
Okay. 3 co-actors you have a crush on.
I don't have crushes on my co-stars.
No, just like a small crush, or you. I don't know. Whatever way, any. No one
I can.
it over.
Who I worked with, but
Yeah.
I don't have crushes. I worked with Pubudu, Roshan, and
Come on, you have to say the other one.
I can't remember.
Done. I'll give you another chance. 3 co-stars.
3 co-stars. Pubudu, Roshan.
Sarang again, Sarang.
Saranga, but I have not worked with him, but it's okay. It's family.
Okay. So who are your 3 co-actors you have a crush on?
You all know. Pubudu, Roshan, and Saranga.
Okay, right. 3 co-stars that names which start with S.
3 co-stars?
Names that start with the letter S.
Okay, male or female both, no?
Yes.
S. Shanudri, Saranga. S වලින් කවුද මම තමයි අනිත් එක්කෙනා.
අර දෙන්නෙක් කිව්වා ඔයාලා. Next one. 3 reasons you can get into jail.
Driving, because I can't drive. I'm a good human being. I'm a very good girl. I don't think I'll get into jail. I don't know. I can't think of anything that I would do to get into jail.
Driving is one main reason.
One
Sorry?
is enough. Right. I'm a very good person, I said.
So because of driving you might get.
Maybe I'll go to jail 3 times for the same reason.
For driving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can't drive.
Right.
Bad driver.
3 names. 3 names you would like to be called if not for Sheshadri.
Shadow. 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 I don't like any other name.
Only Shadow.
Only Shadow, yeah. Some people call me Shashi and I don't like it.
What's that?
Some people call me Shashi and I just don't like it.
Don't
Shashi
call
is
her Shashi. Okay?
Please
Don't
don't
call
me
her
that.
Shashi. Okay. Okay, the next one. 3 times you would use a mouthwash.
Morning, I after every meal, and to be honest, I'm a person, I always use mouthwash. I don't have a time, every
Okay,
time,
all the time.
most of the
Anytime.
time. Yeah.
Most of the time. Nicely said. The next one. If you got a chance to select 3 celebs as your brothers, who would they be? Since you have only sisters in your family.
I got one already, Sarangaya. And the brother, Menaka Rajapaksa. Yeah. And I think the other one would be Roshanaya. Ranavana. Roshana.
Okay. So that's Saranga, Menaka, and Roshana.
Ranavana. Yeah.
Okay. Right. I like to know this. 3 things you have that Dinakshi and Shanutri doesn't have.
Like, what do you mean 3 things I have, like talents or materialistic things or
Anything.
what?
It's open to you to decide whatever it is.
I have Krishan. And, I have a sewing machine. Look, I have a sewing machine. I have
Okay.
that. And I also have, what else do I have? I don't think of anything that I have. I have 2 sisters called Dinakshi and Shanutri. But they also have.
No, but they have.
have.
No, nice.
So,
Good one.
yeah. I
So
guess
you
I
have-
can't actually say that because Aki doesn't, she doesn't have a sister named her. I mean, okay, I'm just confused.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's okay.
Right. That's okay. The next one. 3 best friends you would do anything.
3 best friends. My school friends, best friends. I have a friend called Serena. She's my best friend, and I'll do.
No. Okay. From the
Best friend?
industry or friends.
Industry, to be honest, I don't have best friends because all my friends are friends.
Okay, so I'll reword it. 3 friends from the industry you would do anything.
Okay, 3 friends are Raini, Aseka. Who else? Raini, Aseka. Why can't I think of anyone else? I don't remember my friends.
Time's up. Time's up.
So I'll do anything for those 2.
So Raini and Aseka. Okay, right. Your final question for the day is 3 ways you would say shut up to someone.
Just shush. That's one.
First one.
I'll just give my death stare. That's what I do to Krishan all the time. And another thing that I would do to say shut up. What the hell? Yeah, I'll say that also.
I was expecting something totally different. I was expecting 3 tones. 3 tones you would say shut up. But okay. It's okay.
Okay.
So 3 tones you would say shut up?
The most popular one among the family.
To give a dead stare.
Yeah.
Can you do okay, so everyone, මේ තමයි ශේෂාද්‍රිගේ dead stare එක. කො පොඩ පෙන්නන්න බා. නෑ තප්පරය. Okay.
You should get Krishan on this show and ask him to do everything that I do to him.
No. Go show the dead stare is it?
And I can't anymore there.
Okay, right. We enjoyed the session. Thank you very much. The questions were answered well. So here's a clap to you. Super stuff.
Well,
now you can take a small break because your fans now have a question to answer. If you have any questions, you can ask Sheshadri right about now. Any questions? Okay. We have some nice questions. What's your middle name, Shadow?
I don't have a middle name. I only have Sheshadri Priyasad.
Okay, just
No.
Sheshadri Priya.
Yes.
Everyone is. Who is your favorite cricketer?
I'm not a cricket fan.
You're not a. Okay. Do you miss your elder sister? Do you miss Dinakshi Kelagana?
Yes, I do.
Okay, right. So, a lot of questions are coming in. We have very limited time, but we have to go, right? So, it's time for us to see that awaited surprise from Sheshadri. Sheshadri Priyasad, Shadow, are you ready for it?
I was
Sorry?
actually I was surprised now.
I'm also surprised. Let's see what your surprise is. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to Sheshadri.
The bad breath monster strikes every few hours. Arm yourself with Glowguard Fresh Blast.
I have to say this, I'm not a big singer. I can't sing. What?
Everyone has a hidden talent.
Hey, what talent. I can just sing a little bit. So Okay, I'll just sing this song, one of Krishan's songs. It's one of my favorite songs out of all his songs. Okay. I hope I remember the words.
Good luck. This is your stage. Go for it.
Okay. Sada kasite sarisara innako jivide tora adre karannako sada kasite sarisara innako jivide Atidura adare karannako.
Who said you can't sing? Who said you can't sing? You sing.
Hard.
Super.
I can sing.
Everyone is like, I have a special request. You and Krisha should start doing a duet very soon.
Oh, okay.
I think you all will rock it and that will be the next hit. Okay, see, everyone is like, wow, Aki, wow. So, thank you very much for joining with me today on this live session, The Influence of Visual, proudly powered by Glowguard Fresh Blast. I know it's a relaxed time, but then we all have our personal commitments. But with all that, you joined me today. I am so happy that I was able to share this live session with you. Thank you very much, Sheshadri, for joining.
Thanks for having me. I did enjoy this show. It's actually good to have these kind of shows because we are always on the phone, just scrolling up and down. So it's good to watch such shows and enjoy a bit. So thank you for having me. I hope everyone enjoyed, and thanks once again to everyone who's following me on Instagram, to all the 600k followers.
And congratulations, may your profile grow from strength to strength, and may you get more and more followers on Instagram, and may the love you have towards your fans and your fans' love vice versa increases so much. And thank you very much. So session y'all can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Joel Outspoon. I have put it on the comments as well. You can subscribe to the channel, and also not forgetting Sheshadri has an amazing YouTube channel. Sheshadri and Krishan's crazy content is there. Their latest song, hats off to that song. It's a lovely song. I love the way he sings, and we love the way you're acting on it. Super. So
Thanks.
may more and more new stuff come on the channel. And thank you very much. So thank you අද බලන්න ඉපු ඔක්කොමට thank you very much. ඔයගලගේ comments වලට thank you. අපි ආයිත් හම්බෙන්නේ will be joining on another live session on Friday with an exciting guest just like Shadow. So see you again on Friday. Stay tuned. We'll be uploading this video on YouTube soon. And Seshadri, thank you very much. Good night. Take care. And remember everyone, stay safe and stay healthy. Stay indoors. Good night.
Bye bye.
See you. Take care.